Alright guys, we are going to test the Ace Pro against the Action 5 Pro. I'm going to do a close-up test. Somebody asked me to do this, so I'll do it. We already know the Ace Pro has a longer minimum focus, and I don't suspect that I don't expect the Action 5 Pro to be any different. So we're gonna do it anyways for the sake of doing it. So I've dropped it to 4K 60 frames per second. I'm going to use this matrix mode, not face detection mode, and see how's it look. So I'm about 2 feet away. This should be the focusing area for the Ace Pro. So I'm gonna go closer. So this is about 12 inches. Okay, and we're gonna get a little bit. Look at my ugly. How's it look? Out of focus? Probably. Anyways, I'll do a couple of samples. So I'm in the backyard, and it finally stopped raining, but it looks like we can get some more rain, and I haven't been really able to get this thing out my mountain bike. I might do it tonight if it doesn't rain, just to do some mountain bike and night shots with the mountain bike, and I don't want that windshield in the front to have any glares, and I want to see it without the extra glass in the front. So let's see how that goes. Anyways, have fun, enjoy. Here, I'm gonna shoot my dog. Bobby. 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 A butterfly. Some flowers. Flowers. I want to see how this thing does with my macro lens. That'd be kind of cool, because we already know the Ace Pro with that macro lens does really well. It's actually quite nice. So let me shoot some flowers here. Look at that one. Get some colors in here and see how this holds out. Here. Here's my garden. Oh, look at that. Okay. Flowers growing from a fence. This is a canoe. And let's look at the garden here. Oh, look at the, oh no, the okra is too big. Oh boy, that ain't gonna happen. Look at the okra, it's huge. Ah, that's done. Should have got the okra, but nope. Tomatoes, my doggy. Some flowers. Look at some flowers. So shooting at 60 frames. I have the 60 frames just to get that a little bit more bit rate, because as you go up in frame rate, the bit rate also goes up. So I think it's shooting at 80 bit. I think. Don't quote me on it. I think when you're shooting 30 frames, it's only at 60 bit frame rate. So there we go. Anyways, I'll do a slow motion and see how it goes, and I'll play you some ball with the dog. So I am trying this. One feature that I really like and looks really cool is the ability to subject track. So it's at 2.6K 60 frames per second. So let's see how this works. It's supposed to work really good, and I think it's pretty cool. Okay, again, come on, let's get your ball. Get your ball. Ball, drop. Come on, honey. Let's drop. Good boy. Good job, Ollie. Good tracking. What's this? Tracking me? You can't tell. Tracking me? All right. That work?